it's the Party Girl XO, and why am I blue? Okay, forget about that. This week's theme is
we've got guns, dun 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 dun. We've got guns, dun 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 dun. We've got guns, dun 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 dun. We've got guns, we're not afraid to use them.
what?
I like the Maverick. It's yellow and black. I like the long. It's green and orangey red.
What are you doing in here? I'm doing my
house. They are guns, funky and hot. They're guns. Girls like them a lot. They're guns. They're funky and hot, and girls like them a lot. They're guns.
Okay, what are you doing? I'm doing my video for. I'm doing my video for the Party Girl XO. I'm doing
Shut it, sissy.
Oh, don't point that gun at me.
I like fish sticks. He's a fishy head.
What on earth is going on?
Sorry, reflexes. She is.
Okay, I'm sorry about this. I have no idea what is happening. So, I'm really confused. So I'll make another video soon. So,
They're guns.
bye.